Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, we're just gonna simply make you a nice lovely drink in the morning, yeah. Early morning. Juice. Smoothie. Just gonna put some spinach inside of the blender like this. Just feel for a smoothie in the morning. We're gonna put some pear in it. Right, like this. Some ripe banana. I like ripe banana. I'm a drink, you know. Just put a little piece of ginger. Yeah. Ginger help to build up your immune system. I love my ginger. Yeah. Things looking good. Like it. Squeeze some lime juice. This is some lime I'm using at the moment. If you got whatever you have, you can use. Put some water. It's a little bit of water, not much. And my apple cider vinegar. You can put honey if you like, but I'm allergic to sweetness, so you have to be careful. I'm gonna just blend this about 2 to 3 seconds. Nice and lovely. So that's exactly what I'm talking about right here. Alright. Now I'm gonna simple just pour it off like this. Look at this. Early morning guys. Please enjoy, subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. My name is Chef Ricardo. I try to give you the best recipe in this whole entire world that you guys can make them at home. Alright, I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipes and more ideas. Alright, thank you for watching. As I said, very easy and simple to make at home. See you next time. Bye bye.